Okay guys, this is what it is looking like after the snowstorm. I just dug out the entrances to the chicken coops, but it is crazy out here. Look at this. Shoveled as much as I could where the chicken run is and where the ducks and the geese live. As you can see, I put down some straw and they are hanging out, having water. It's pretty bad here in New England. It's crazy. Here's the door. So before the storm, I left all the doors open. Here are the containers for their food. One of my quail coops is completely engulfed, basically. Here's the aviary. Everyone is hanging out. Have my white peahen, my pied peacock. My other peacock is hiding back there. The canaries are doing well. Everyone is doing good. And I'm just hoping for a miracle that it'll warm up soon. There's my pheasant hen, my Swinho hen. My goal for this aviary was to give it a more realistic New England effect. So as you can see, I'm using natural pines from my backyard. Look at the canaries saying hello. My emergency door is obviously snowed in and locked out. I'm filming all this footage on my iPhone. I'm seeing how well I can record a video on an iPhone.